Okay, before we do the little chick, we have to do the corn, and we also have to do some hay bales because the chick is actually going to stand on a hay bale to help him stand up. So let's start with the corn because some of the corn is actually going to be at the back against the barn. So what I want to do is just take some of the darker yellow here, roll it into a ball, and then just elongate it by putting my finger right in the center, just about like that. Then you take a toothpick and you just draw across it a few times, about 3 times this way, and then go across this way. Okay, and I pop it over here. I usually put a little bit more yellow. This is a called Canary yellow. It's a luster dust. Usually kind of pop some of that on the top. And then take a little bit of water and place it right at the back, and then we'll pop it right up onto the barn. So we need to do a few of those. Different sizes, so I'll do a smaller one now. Okay, we'll do one on the other side. And this one is going to go over here. We'll do this one a little higher, like so. Okay, the hay bales, what I did is I took the same yellow and I just mixed some of the white in there together, so it's not really a solid white, it's kind of swirled. And then just take a little bit off. Okay, so I just roll it into, well, first always ball, and then roll it back and forth a couple times this way. Then this is a fondant paddle. What I do is I push down, pick it up, push down again, until I get more of a block, and then I push in the sides also. Okay, then I take the toothpick and I just make lines all over it. And on the sides. Okay, and then I make a line, a deep one right in here. This is where it would be baled together with some rope or something. One over here. Then I'll place it over here. And see, this is the same thing. Only difference is I've taken the canary yellow and just brushed it over the top and on the sides. Just here and there. It's not a solid dusting. And then this is cocoa, which is a petal dust. It's just called cocoa. So I brush over that just again, just kind of here and there. And voila. Okay, so one of these needs to go pretty much right in the front. The little chick is going to stand on that. So I'm going to place it right here in front. So I need a little bit of water underneath it. Like that. The pig isn't attached, so I'm going to move that one out of the way. The cow is attached. Go ahead and take this other hay bale. Just kind of pop it back here. Not attaching it right now. What I want to do is take some graham crackers, which are crushed up. Okay, some are crushed a little bit more than the others, like so. And then I need to take more of the white chocolate, and I'm going to place it down here to attach the graham crackers. So let me go get my white chocolate and we'll be right back.